Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, how to fix this hotspot problem. So friends, first you have to open your settings, click on connected devices, or you can click on network and internet. Here it is hotspot and tethering. Click on this. Here it will show you hotspot password. You can change the password if it is not connecting. Sometimes password will be changed automatically, so you can press on it, change the password, and then connect on it. You can check the speed and compatibility also. If your phone is higher end device, so you can choose 5 gigahertz. It will provide fast speed the network, and if your phone is compatible to the 2.4 gigahertz, you can select this one also. So this is how you can fix it. Restart your device, it will fix. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.